first thing to see if we can get onto Everest. It is completely empty. We have this section of Animal Kingdom to ourselves.
There's nobody here.
So this is one of the tricks in Animal Kingdom. Watch. Now you can see Everest right behind it. It's the exact same shape. How cool. 5-minute wait. They tell me there's a hidden Mickey here, but I can't find him. Maybe they'll show me in a little bit. We are the only ones on this train.
Don't tell anybody that.
Whoa.
All right, ow. Definitely rougher in the back.
Let's do it again, let's do it again. So that was a complete walk-on. We were the only ones on the train. We're going through the second time now. Are you keeping track? This is time 2. This is time 2. This is time 3. Okay, because we are the brave girls. We are riding it. Time number 4. We left the boys shopping and we are riding. I think they might be getting in line, but we're gonna go first.
Yeah, maybe the back.
Yeah.
The back is the best.
The back is the best.
Also, when you're in Animal Kingdom, head to Everest first.
Yeah, because everybody does Avatar first.
Yeah.
And
Avatar is empty. It was a walk-on. We were the only people on the train for the first time we went. Second time there were a couple people. Third time, a few families. Fourth time, we'll see.
and this is the first time we hit a line. So this is time number 4. And I'm wearing my shirt again. Okay, here we go. Time number 4. Ew. We're actually able to look at some stuff in the line this time.
Not very well.
Not very well, but look, there's a foot. It's a Yeti foot. Stand next to the foot. Look how big it is. Oh my goodness. Wow. Footprint found in March 2005. Literally We are already here.
Yeah, it's really not that bad of a wait.
It's been 3 minutes to this point so far.
Also, I made a new watch. I didn't make this watch, but I got in the watch race.
Awesome.
We entered the park at 8:30.
No, 8, it was like 8:45, maybe 8:50, somewhere in there.
This is the fourth time riding the line.
Fourth time.
9:35.
And after this, we are going to go ride something else.
So we just got on the train and we're about to take off.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
It took us 5 minutes.
Okay, we're going. Bye.
We are in line for Everest. This is Kerrigan and my 5th time for this trip.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's the
I'm
boys' fourth time.
yeah, because we're,
Special.
yeah, okay. Maybe a hidden Mickey right there? That's what we're thinking. There's a hidden Mickey there. Another hidden Mickey there.